Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring you meet prerequisites. Confirm night vision is unlocked and equipped in your loadout, and set the display refresh rate for smoother motion if possible. Once done, launch the Blackhawk rescue mission 5 checkpoint and move into low-light zones immediately to engage thermal filters. Make sure to toggle NV using the assigned key or controller button. This activates gain and contrast automatically. As you start moving, keep your speed moderate to let the NV adapt to sudden lighting changes without washout. You now refine your execution. Adjust gain manually to prevent bloom from muzzle flashes or vehicle lights, because uncontrolled gain reduces target detail. Once adjusted, use the rangefinder and on-screen waypoints with the NV overlay to maintain situational awareness while moving through buildings and tree lines. Make sure to switch between green mode and thermal mode depending on clutter. Thermal helps against camouflage, green preserves depth cues. Move in short sprints and pause to scan. This reduces motion blur and keeps your team coordinated. Complete the mission by powering down night vision before exposing yourself to bright flashes to prevent temporary sensor bloom and to preserve clarity for the next engagement. Once cleared, perform a quick HUD calibration if you notice drift or jitter. This realigns crosshairs and overlays with the environment. If you encounter persistent artifacts, static noise, or flicker, restart NV hardware in-game or reload the latest checkpoint. This clears state errors. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Low frame rates mimic NV defects, so optimize graphics settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.